Thank you very much. Our last presenter for the evening will be Michael Uerikua. Uerikua.
The German Imperial government, through Lieutenant General Lothar von Trotha, issued a notorious extermination order which saw 80% of Herero and 50% of Nama people exterminated from the face of the planet. The remaining percentage surrendered and were placed in concentration camps where majority of them died of diseases, starvation, abuse, and exhaustion between 1904 and 1908. It is a genocide. As Article 2 of the Genocide Convention contains a narrow definition of the crime of genocide, which includes two main elements, a mental element and a physical element, which is exactly of what happened to Hereros and Nama people of Namibia between 1904 and 1908. It is therefore of paramount importance for the UN to put in place an enabling legislative framework that sets out how reparation fund could be established, managed, and controlled. Furthermore, the framework will ensure the rights of Hereros and Nama people as primary beneficiaries due to the scope and magnitude of the material and human losses to be compensated. The UN can also establish a task force on reparation to facilitate the formulation of a comprehensive reparation policy and program. I further thank the European Union for being part of this historic forum as the pursuit of justice in most of our aspects faces the European Union states. We appreciate and deeply encourage the United Nations through the body's rapporteurs to engage all actors and governments in following the right path that achieves justice, human rights, indiscrimination, reparation, and peace.
Thank you very much. We are about to wrap up this session, but I would request from the interpreters an additional 10 minutes to give the speakers, the panelists, an opportunity to give us their concluding statements. Each